Hello guys. Today I'm going to discuss about my recent project called Simulation of Pushbutton LED with ARM controller using Proteus software. Aim to interface a digital output LED and digital input push button to an ARM development board and stimulate it in new Proteus software. What are the components required? STM32 and Proteus 8 simulator. Here is the theory part about this project. You can read this for your clarification. Let's get enter into the procedure. First of all, you need to click on the STM32 icon in your desktop. After clicking the icon, the following screen will appear. Once the screen opened, click on the file, click on new STM32 project to create new project. Once you click that, these are all the interfaces will appear in your desktop. Select the target to be programmed as shown below and click on next. Enter the project name for your new project. Once you finished all the above steps, corresponding IOC file will be generated automatically. Select the appropriate pins as GPIO, in or out, USART or required options and configure the pins. Once you configure all the pins, click on Ctrl plus S, then automatically a C program will be generated. While generating C program, this is the interface you will get. Edit the program as per your requirement. Use the project and build. Once you completed your code, run the code for your clarifications. Once the project is built, here is the console you will get. Click on the debug option for your debugging process. Creating a Proteus project and running the simulation, we are now the last part of step by step guide on how to stimulate STM32 project on Proteus. Create a new Proteus project and place STM32 file in the same MCU of which the project was created in STM32 Cube IDE. After creation of circuit as per requirement as shown below, you can drag the parts from the Proteus software as required in circuit diagram. Double click on the MCU part to open settings. Next to program file option, give full paths to the hex file generated using STM32 Cube ID. Then set the external crystal frequency to 8M. Click OK to save the changes. This is where you will upload your hex file. Then click on the debug and stimulate using simulation. This is the model output. Here is my program. This is where we created the program to run the LED. Okay, when you run the hex file in Proteus software, this is the state of LED in off state. Once the push button is pressed, LED will get on and this is the output you will get. Okay guys, this is my recent project about simulation of LED in Proteus software using ARM control. Okay, thanks for your watching. Bye bye. Let's see you in another video.